WolfHA keeps a container running when the node hosting bit dies. Let's set it up and cover every option along the way. This is the WolfHA page in your cluster sidebar. It lists every protected container, its copies, and how fresh each standby is. Click Protect a Container to begin. First, pick the node the container runs on, and the container itself. Here, Debian Bookworm. Now choose the replica nodes that hold a standby copy. The order you tick them is the failover priority. The first is preferred where a takeover is needed. Set the sync interval. Every few minutes, WolfStack ships just the changed files to each standby, so a failover loses at most this much recent change. Leave it here for one-click manual failover, or turn on automatic failover to have a standby promote itself when the node dies. Automatic mode needs a witness, usually your gateway. A node only acts while it can reach the witness, so an isolated node holds still instead of causing a split brain. And a timeout, how long the primary must be unreachable before a standby takes over. The primary stops its own copy at half this, so a network split never runs two copies at once. When you protect it, WolfStack seeds each standby with a live copy, keeping the container's name, MAC, and IP, so on failover DNS and clients follow automatically, with no load balancer. From there, failover and failback are a single click or fully automatic. The written guide is below.